On the count of 3, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Happy holidays! Turn around, everyone, face the staircase. I have some friends who would like to say hello.
Kids were all excited to order room service for breakfast, and I don't know if you guys know this, but room service is included with your cruise. So we ordered room service, a quick breakfast. The funny thing is we made a mistake and we ordered pastries and we ordered, you know, bagels and Fruit Loops, but they also asked how many people were in the room, so we said 3. So they brought us 3 Fruit Loops. They brought us 3 bagels, 3 pastries, 3 orange juices.
3 donuts.
3?
Kelly got one.
3 donuts. So we have a lot of breakfast that we did not intend to get, but that's okay.
The ones that say 2, Kelly's took one.
Yeah. So we'll just save like the cereal and stuff for snacks and stuff. But the kids are all excited to have breakfast, and I'm excited to have coffee in the room. And we are still, sorry, our room is kind of a mess here. We are still at sea on our way to Nassau, and I think I can see a glimmer of it. We should be there in about an hour. We're pulling into Nassau. The kids are going to do the aqueduct. Usually in Nassau, the pool area is empty, but today it's still kind of busy. You can tell it's a full ship this trip. So there is the big size gingerbread house. We're gonna go to a gingerbread decorating right now to make a mini version. But it smells good. Oh, that's funny. Oh, look, they weren't in there yesterday. That's cute. It's time for gingerbread house making. You have one little dot right there. Our house.
Candies.
And there's our decoration for our house.
And pre-cut. There are 2 roofs, 2 side panels, and there will be one piece which has got a dent in the center. I want you all to grab it and split it into 2.
So this is Kelly's side,
right.
and this is underside.
Now it's the basic decoration.
Actually, you still have frosting on your face.
Draw some lines over the roof.
Done.
Oh, nicely done.
Wait, one more.
I actually have an idea.
Done.
Alright, the chef's looks way better than ours.
And of course, when the ice melts and it freezes again, you have icicles. So just grab the bag and let the snow fall down.
Kelly's making a path. I think we've had more fun throwing the candies on the house and see where it falls than anything else. Hunter still has frosting on her cheek. Do you know that's even there? You're concentrating so hard. Oh. So here is our finished product, and Hunter's dancing again. We had fun making our gingerbread houses, and now we're going through the district, which is very appropriate because we're going to see a Radio Disney concert by an up-and-comer called Max. So after the concert, we came back to the room, and look, they're like power washing our windows. Do you see them? Where are they?
Right there. Right there. Right in the corner.
Oh, it's right there. The guy's right there. Oh, that's so funny. Power washing the windows. Just moving across. That's crazy.
Keep on moving. Keep on moving.
Keep on moving.
No.
Did you spell his name wrong?
Yeah. I accidentally did a T.
Poor Kelly.
Hear words of the truth from every
Santa, we're so excited to have you here helping us celebrate our very, very time cruise.
Thank you, Polly. It's an honor to be here.
Scott here, he's gonna look at the list. Who's the first one on the list? Who is the first one on the list? Huh? Who is the first one on the list? On the naughty side. You see, I should put just kidding though. Just kidding. And then of course we have hot chocolate with marshmallows and cookies.
Cookie as well? Be careful, it's very hot.
Thank you. Andrew. I think they're going where we're going.
Going the same way we're going.
We're just gonna follow Pluto to the show.
Thank you, and mahalo to you too, Stitch. Yeah, all right, thank you. All right, let's do it one more time. Ooh, I'm telling you, Natasha, all this fighting is making me a little short of breath.
Oh, come on, Brian. It ain't over yet, that's for sure. In fact, here come Goofy and Pluto with our holiday hula hoopers.
All right, hey Goofy. All right, you ready to show us how to hula hoop?
So let's welcome all of our holiday friends onto the stage. Oh yeah, keep going.
We're at the kids' favorite spot, and Hunter's so excited because they have strawberry and banana today. Yay!
Who knows the story of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
I
You do? Well, here's the nice thing about stories. Every time you hear a story, even if you already know it, you may learn something very new, okay? So we're going to listen quietly, and here we go. Santa loves the story. It's about the first time Santa met Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and how he learned to guide his sleigh through the fog and the snow. So listen up very closely. On the count of 3, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Happy holidays! Turn around, everyone, face the staircase. I have some friends who would like to say hello. Hello, Mickey. Hello, Minnie. Jonathan, Daisy, and Pluto. Please come down and say hello to all of you. Good to see everybody.
For dinner tonight, we're doing things a little bit different. We actually just went to Flo's and grabbed a hamburger. You can't really see it. Just grabbed a hamburger and fries, and we're gonna sit and watch a movie under the stars tonight. Just trying something different.
At 9.
We're gonna be at Enchanted Garden for 2 nights. The kids decide, let's just do tonight by the pool, since everybody else is at dinner in the show, and then tomorrow we'll eat at the Enchanted Garden. So we came in and look, it's a bunny rabbit. So cute. I love the towel art. I don't think we've ever showed you what the bedrooms look like for turn down service. So here is the bed, all ready to go. And then here is the bunk bed. So they dropped that out of the ceiling, and if you can see, there's stars in the sky, which is really cool.
It makes different characters. It makes
Oh, it makes
Wendy,
characters?
It makes John.
Oh,
It
right.
makes Peter Pan. It makes Tinkerbell.
Oh,
So we
yeah.
Peter Pan, Wendy.
Oh,
John
that's
and Michael.
cool.
Yeah, there was a John and Michael right that way.
Yeah?
But I can't
Awesome. I
think
did
of
not realize that.
Oh. And there's
I like
Tinkerbell.
And Tinkerbell's up there?
Yeah.
Cool.
Up and...
So then there's the bunk, and I like how our stateroom host put the ladder on the side. They usually put it right here, which is kind of like in the way, but he puts it on the side, which is nice. And then here is the bottom, which was the couch that they pulled out. Give us a thumbs up if you like ice cream. Oh, and if you like the video too. How about that? We're out there chasing our dreams. You guys get out there and chase your dreams. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
Love ya.
Love you all.